Yes, this is a gigantic piece of spinach from mango and blueberry. Really good. This piece of spinach is the same size as your body. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see how big this is. This is the size of the spinach leaf. And this is mango and blueberry. See? It's the same size as their body, whole body. But it's delicious. Yeah, it's very good. Say thank you, Mommy. There goes Hippo. Mango loves spinach. Blueberry loves spinach. Come on, Blueberry. Go get your spinach. Go get your spinach. Come. Come to Mommy. Good boy. Go and eat your spinach. Here, you want Mommy to feed you? Yeah. Here's another spinach. Yes. You can eat it slowly. You hear that sound? Blueberry makes that sound. He's like almost choking. He's eating too fast. Blueberry, you share with Mango. Come on. Here, Mango. Blueberry wants to eat whatever Mango wants to eat. Come on. You'll be working on your computer too? Blueberry working on your computer? How about the spinach? Anyone wants the spinach anymore? Mommy has spinach here. Mommy has spinach. Come and get it. Mango, Blueberry. Here comes Mango. Come on, Blueberry. Come and get it. You love your spinach. What a good boy. You got a big piece too. But this is the biggest piece I've ever seen. Blueberry, stop landing on Mommy's head. Spinach is over here, not on Mommy's head. For the last month or two, Blueberry's been landing on my head. That's a very bad habit. I take him off instantly. But it looks like he likes to land on the highest point, which is my head. You guys have enough already? You gonna be calling on the phone? You using Mango's cell phone? Don't you want to eat? Who wants to eat? Who wants to eat? Yum yum. You done already? Alright, thank you.